everybody, welcome back to Stuff from the Cuffs, where we give you stuff that's fire, fun.
Inspirational.
We keep it real.
And we have some educational stuff for you.
Alright, so today is all about fun, right? So we're giving you the fun aspect tonight.
Yeah, especially after the last couple of videos.
Yeah, they were very emotional and brought a few tears from a lot of you as expressed in the comments. But we want to tell you thank you for all the support. We always try to keep it real so that we can help somebody out there. So we're happy that you have been touched and you have been enjoying the videos. So today's video is a little bit lighter, right? It's a little bit lighter, and Brian came up, well, not came up, but
So I've been seeing the 1, 2, 3 couples tag video
Yes.
on several YouTube platforms. So I decided, why not try it? Let's see what we could do to it and see if we can add a little Jamaican flair to it.
okay, all right.
Yep. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna ask a question, then Bass is gonna ask the same question to me. But what is gonna happen at the end of the 1, 2, 3, we both have to say what we think the answer is. It's gonna touch a bit on how much we know each other.
Okay.
And it's sort of similar to the Shulywed game, which we did at our wedding, right?
Okay.
We did it at our wedding, right?
We were supposed to, but the night was going on too long.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, because we did do some one bugger questions. So,
Yeah.
So the first question, let's say, for example, what % of the housework do I do?
As in you?
Yeah, let's do me first. All right. Well, I mean,
On overall? Because it
Overall.
depends on the day.
I guess overall. All right. So after 3, you say how much you think it is.
Okay, all right.
So
Wow.
yeah, you have to tell you what me, what me I go say. You have to try to get what me I go say.
Okay.
About
I'm
me.
gonna sneeze. Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me.
Yeah, that's something about Bash. She don't sneeze one time. She sneezes in 2s and 3s.
Don't know
Never
why.
understand. Yeah.
Already.
So here we go. What percentage of the housework do I do?
All right.
1, 2, 3, 80%.
70.
No, you can't wait so long to try to beat me. You have to catch the same time.
No, but you talk too fast.
1, 2, 3, say it.
Okay.
But you say 70.
I said
say
70. My God, babe, 80? So what me do?
20.
So 20 covers what?
20 cover, whatever it cover.
Seriously? 80?
Yeah, guys do most of the housework.
Well, he does,
Because more her for take care of the kids.
Yeah, I tend to the girls more.
That can't sound away in this day and age. What I want, I allow for her to do more of the homeschooling.
Yeah.
And taking care of certain things as it relates to the kids. Simple.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's what it means. It don't mean semi-lazy.
So let's see what she would have said if the same question was asked. How much % she thinks she does? Because she obviously not agree with.
So now middle 20.
She not agree.
How much percentage of the housework do I do after 3? 1, 2, 3,
20.
40. Okay. Wow. We do different things in the house.
It's still a lead
40.
by a whole heap.
I agree.
By a whole heap.
I agree.
All right, let's talk. You want to talk about some of the things we do to see how we work out to 80-20?
Oh, 80-20. My God. Okay. All right. Go ahead.
No, it's all right. I'm not load it up. The
I
fact
don't
is
know
that
me up. We
most of
just
the things-
focus on different things.
If we were to say, how much % of the cooking do you do?
100.
It can't be 100. Right?
98. 96. 95. How much % of the homeschooling do I do? 100.
The thing talking about housework.
Okay, all right.
What is my favorite movie of all time?
Okay. 1, 2, 3.
Inside Man. Yeah, you must get that. I mean, we never know if I for all time, but it just really stands out.
Yeah.
It really stands out.
Okay.
Only a good movie there.
But you love Inside Man.
I love
know
Inside
that
Man
much.
because of the mystery.
Yeah.
Your
And
turn?
that's why we love Money Heist so much.
Yeah, but money has all serious, so that's why I'm gonna say it.
Yeah.
All right.
I know. All right. For me now,
Yeah.
what's my...
She never know. I think more answer now, you know.
all-time favorite movie?
Yeah, like watch it again and again and again and again and again. She don't have none.
All right, ready. 1, 2, 3. I
Desperate
don't have anyone.
Housewives.
What is with you and this desperate housewife?
Anyway, that's a joke, guys. It's a series and not a movie. Yeah, she don't have no favorite.
I don't
right?
really have a
She don't,
favorite
yeah.
movie.
She watch only past series.
Yes.
Right?
Yes,
Law and
that
Order
I know.
SVU, if we did say.
Yes, I would have said
Yeah.
that, but it's not a movie.
So,
Okay. Next
alright.
one.
If I could star in any movie with a star, which star would I want to be in the movie with?
With star.
So I'm a real actor or actress. It's the actor.
Actor. I don't know, I'm just gonna say something. Ready? One, two, three. Denzel Washington.
But they go say Denzel, you know, because I know say Denzel, you know. It's either Denzel or Morgan Freeman.
So you never say nothing, babe.
Because
You go
you
up
took the
over.
words out of my mouth.
Okay, so
It's
it
either
means we're
Denzel or
right.
Morgan Freeman.
Okay. Alright, for me now. Okay, ready. Actress.
Actress.
If I had to star in a movie with an actress, who would it be? 1, 2, 3.
The girl from
Olivia.
Desperate. Me know me they gonna say SVU. Cause me say for SVU, she would have most say SVU. But man is Desperate also as
Don't
foolishness.
know why.
But I know a movie that they want series.
It is not a movie, so I don't know why you keep saying it.
Movie. But SVU I know one series. It's a
I said an
series.
actress.
Whatever. I mean, they gonna say Olivia, but
You know this.
I know nobody else.
No?
If you go to the supermarket and you bought something for yourself and you had to buy something for me, what would you buy? Something nice, like you just pick it up and carry come give me. Ready?
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
Mixed nuts.
I never remember her name. It's hard for me count and then say it. Fruit fusion.
Right. With the whole heap of
with the
different
little
dry
banana
fruits.
chips,
Yeah.
dry fruits, cashew.
I know that.
Raisin.
And this has how he's been for a long
Man,
time.
every time I go to the supermarket, I pick up one. By the time I reach home, it's done. Like, I tell the cashier, don't put that in other stuff, just give me back. Yeah. Ready? Your turn.
And if you had to buy something for me, what would it be? 1,
Hold on.
No.
Babe, care about something else to me. Alright. 1, 2, 3.
Coffee, ice
Pastry.
cream.
Yes, that falls under pastry.
No. Don't try to feel good.
No, but coffee ice cream is true.
That will feel good.
Yeah.
Which pastry? Donut? If there's one thing that I have that you would want to get rid of, what would it be? One thing.
That you have?
Yeah. It's like every time you see it, you just be like, you don't want that shit, right? Apart from my burgundy shirt.
Which me dash way already?
What is not my shirt?
Which me dash way already?
What would it be?
One thing that you have? Me dash them already.
No.
Okay. Anything we can't find, guys? No way, God.
One thing you have.
I have nothing still. I'm not gonna go wrong with it. No.
Me
nothing.
just gonna say, what you have for me that one dash way? But me not dash way already.
I'm not laughing.
One thing that I have that you would probably want to throw away. Next question.
What 3 things would I grab if we had to run out of the house quickly? Some emergency and we have to run out. What 3 things I must have for me? 1, 2, 3. My
Camera,
bag, my camera, and my
passport,
phone. I take up my passport. I'm gonna fly away.
Oh my God!
My bag have full heap of things in it. A little pouch. My phone. And my camera. Cause I don't know, might
So me
take one
get
picture.
two out of 3.
What did he say?
Passport.
Oh, passport. Passport.
Yeah.
Nice.
What 3 things would I grab if we had an emergency? 1, 2, 3.
Your bag,
Passport,
your phone,
bag, and phone.
No else. I never ever say passport. Cause passport I go.
I'd grab the passport. I don't know why. I just always think that if you have an emergency, you should always have
You
your
have
passport.
a license. You have a national ID. I don't back. It's a mentality, cause my mother grew me to, if nothing, you have your passport by you. Me
Yeah.
have national ID and me have license, me don't need passport unless me I go up on a plane.
Well, me need a passport.
Alright, so make we add the Jamaican flavor. If you get up, a little gas in your stomach, your belly a bubble, and you go drink some tea, or your head a hurt and you go drink some tea, which tea would you drink? Which tea would I drink?
Alright,
One, two, three,
ginger
Milo.
mint.
I choose
A
if
ginger mint,
gas I take me
babe.
up, I would have
You
ginger
not
mint.
drink no Milo if your belly
Mile,
hurt
mile,
you.
true. True. A ginger mint mood I drink. True. Guys, even me, I know myself sometimes.
Alright, for me now, if my belly hurt me, what would I drink? One, two, three.
Tetli.
Coffee.
Every day I drink tetli. Oh, coffee after when you want to stay up.
No, I just drink coffee every day still.
No, you don't drink coffee
I
every
don't drink
day.
it every day.
Tetli I drink every day.
Oh
Tetli.
well, that's kind of true. Okay.
Alright. Which side dish is a must have if you have the opportunity to get a side order? Which side order would I pick? Right?
One, two, three.
Fried
Mashed
plantain.
potato. I was gonna say fried.
Mashed potato too, fried plantain
Yeah.
or corn on the cob. Any one of them me good with.
Yeah.
But I know that me say, so yes, we get it
Okay,
wrong.
whatever.
We get it wrong. Alright,
Oh,
your
you get
turn.
your hand too?
Yeah, because we never get it right. It's the same thing.
Oh, okay. All right. So for me, which side dish would I want? One, two, three.
Coleslaw.
Fries.
Jamaican thing I mess you up though. Coleslaw, I love coleslaw, but that's only for
No.
KFCs
Yeah,
too.
that's only KFC.
Alright.
All right. Next one. Which one do you? Which one do you prefer? The regular water crackers or the cinnamon water crackers?
Which one do you prefer?
What do I prefer? All right, one, two, three.
Cinnamon.
Definitely. Your turn.
Which Excelsior crackers do I? No, I'm not. Yeah. Which Excelsior crackers do I prefer? Cinnamon or straight up water tough crackers? One, two, three.
Straight up water
Tough.
tough crackers.
Tough.
Yeah, I know
Cinnamon
that.
don't have a little flavor, but I know that I grow up on a real tough crackers. Sit
Tough
down and eat a
crackers.
bag of crackers. So
Okay.
till me pitney they love crackers too.
Oh,
We are just sit
listen.
down and take up crackers and
Yeah,
eat.
we just eat crackers for dinner. Breakfast, everything she eat crackers with. All right.
One more.
If I was to perform on a stage with my favorite Jamaican celebrity, who would it be? All right, ready? One, two, three.
Miss
Miss
Kitty.
Kitty. How you know that?
Can you listen to that one, Miss Kitty? And
I
Miss Kitty.
love Miss Kitty. Kitty Hilton, big up yourself.
Our ability to transition between the vernacular and English.
Probably that's where I
and
get
our
it from.
personality. You can't talk pata.
I love Miss Kitty.
Talk pata make the ear.
No, you're not. I don't like it, Bria. Yeah, I love Miss Kitty. Growing up and studying for
Make Miss
media,
Kitty sound old.
she was so she was always the person I listened to at 2 o'clock in the afternoons when I used to go to NCU. No matter what I was doing at 2 o'clock, always listen to Miss Kitty.
Pick up yourself, Miss Kitty.
Yeah.
Or Miss Kitty would have said, boss, Miss Kitty blank.
La 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 la.
No. Miss Kitty would have been ashamed that your boss Miss Kitty blank.
I can't do it.
Yeah, if you can't
La
do
la
it,
la 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 la.
I move us touch with him out. Yeah, I have to do it in the Miss Kitty style, man. I was to share stage with a Jamaican celebrity. Who would it be? Ready?
Hold on. Alright.
You're not
I
gonna get
don't
this.
know.
You're not gonna get this.
Alright, one, two, three. Chris Martin.
Oliver Samuels.
Really?
Oliver the boss.
Me never hear you talk about
Oliver.
Oliver like that before.
Because I never thought about him before. That don't mean
So,
so
me
I
if
rate
you know.
him.
So,
Oliver.
so if you don't talk
Coe.
about it,
I
how
mean, I
am
have
I
a little
gonna know?
acting thing going on enough, guys.
Wait.
So, what you mean? I could whole heap. I'm the whole heap of drama
you mean like
piece
at
and thing.
church?
Yeah.
Not true, me know say.
Oliver set the standard, man.
Okay, okay.
Chris, I'm bridging for Andrea days, man. No need for sing with Chris.
No, you can't
Chris, I
sing.
only rising star.
You can't
Chris, I
sing.
only rising star. I really ever vote for like every single week.
Yeah,
Diego Productions.
yeah.
Yeah, I vote for others, but not like that.
Not like Chris. So.
Anyway, guys, 3 o'clock in the morning.
Yeah, this
Hope
has
you
been.
enjoyed it as much as we did.
You can try this one. Yeah, try
Yeah.
this one with, you know,
See there.
what's going on here.
Gone. JPS say, oh, come. Yeah, guys, spend some time knowing your loved ones, knowing your friends, and have fun. Challenge them. See what you really know about them. See what they really know about you. And if you don't know nothing, then it's a chance to
Yeah,
go
it's a
get to learn
chance
something.
to learn something about
Yeah,
them.
not feel bad because
I learned
like
something,
would I
man.
feel bad for no say she don't know say me rate Oliver put Oliver muchacho. Oliver
I never hear him talk about Oliver before, so
smile
I
and
wouldn't
nod,
know.
smile and nod. What? Watch Oliver them over.
No, okay.
But yeah, I never thought about it.
Yeah, I've never heard him talk about it. So I learned something tonight. And of course, you got to know us a little bit
I
better.
should have Bex. I don't know my business.
See, like a next. That was
I
stopping.
know about Miss Kitty.
Cut it, I can comment. So
Penny got my man shoe. When I reach tapa on a cut. Guys, that just dropped in the spirit.
Oh, God.
Wrong spirit.
All right, guys, if you're new watching the video and you're not yet a subscriber, make sure that you hit the subscribe button, you turn on your notifications so that you know when we drop a new video, and of course to all our other fans and friends. So thank you guys for being a part of the Stuff from the CUFFS family. I saw somebody do the hashtag Cuff Gang.
Yeah, that's right.
We appreciate you and we thank you for coming along for the ride, coming along for the journey. We are happy that you're enjoying, the different things that we put out because, we're all about giving you fire, fun,
Inspiration.
we're real.
And a bit of educational material. And guys, yeah, part 2 of the previous video is coming. And we're going to talk about Bella. We're going to talk about how we actually made it through, some of the things we did and how we decide, what we reason. And yeah, there was rough times and we bex and we not talk, but we decided that we had to do this.
Yeah, so a lot of persons have been asking, all right, so you guys were apart, you came back together. How did you now readjust to life together after 3 years? So we're going to be doing a part 2 to that and dropping it soon. So you can look out for that.
And that part 2, I'm going to have a part 2 because it's tied in with me leaving my job. So
yeah. So it's going to be 2 things. It's 2 things in one we're going to do?
We're going to part 2 of a part 2.
Part 2. Okay.
Remember how chosen in saying backyard have a backyard and a backyard have a backyard. So I saw the part 2, we have a part 2 and 2 we have a part 2.
I have enough stories, don't worry. Thank you guys again. Hit the subscribe button, make sure that you like, make sure that you comment, and of course thank you for watching the ads. Some persons have been commenting. Thank you guys so very much. We appreciate the support. Later.
You might just press play and put on the phone and watch straight through. Nobody press skip. See? Only skip we do. Skip to the new.